Clients are always looking for quick and effortless ways to style their hair at home. However, sometimes their hair's internal structure doesn't support the end result they want, or they spend a ton of time doing their hair only to have it reset when they wash it. And that's why we created KMS Style Primers. We're now able to give our clients style support for up to 7 washes. We have Tatjana that we've already pre-shampooed, and now I'm going to go through with my Core Reset Spray to help fix and repair her hair's internal structure. Each style primer can be used on its own to create a total look, or you can customize them by adding them together, which is what we're going to do on Tatjana today. I'm going to start with my Add Volume Style Primer throughout the top to create a lot of lift and a beautiful natural volume. Next, we're going to go in with our TAMEFRIZZ Style Primer under the round of the head to create a really sleek profile to accentuate this awesome cut she has. Now we're going to let Tatjana hang out for 5 minutes and we'll get to see what style we created. I started at the shampoo basin with our Add Volume Style Primer through the top and also our TAMEFRIZZ Style Primer through the sides and back to create that height on top and a little bit of sleekness. And now Tatjana can follow it up with the at-home treatment to continue the perfect shape. I'm now going to go in with my blow dryer and a Denman, creating height and some smoothness around the sides. That's beautiful. Now, without even style product in her hair, we already have a beautiful base that our style primers have given her. To add a little bit more texture, I'm going to go in with our HAIRPLAY messing cream. And continuing that shape of full on top and smooth through the sides. And just to lock it in place, I'm going in with our HAIRSTAY working spray. So there you have an effortless way to create volume where you want it and smoothness where you need it.